What's up, y'all? Welcome to When You Tease 26 Vlogs. Hey, I'm just going to go over a few things. Sorry I missed you last week. Went on my first vacation in like a year and a half. Anyhow, we have some new handcrafted showing up. Those are going to be showing up every week. And then, check this out. I almost got hit by birds with my drone. I was trying to go underneath the bridge and all of a sudden swoop on back. Almost got tagged. But anyways, rooibos is a very popular tea right now. It is a South African tea. Super healthy, a lot of anti-inflammatory. And then also, before we go to the music, you ever wonder why Twinkle Twinkle Little Star sounds like the alphabet song? I'm just saying. Anyway, let's move on. Anyhow, again, guys, if you could do us a huge favor, please subscribe. Please like the video, but mostly, please follow us on social media. We're all over social media. And remember, one life, one you. Please take care of yourselves.